Let's say we want to use method 1. So from here we have root a into root a equals 2. Then from here, let's take the square of both sides to eliminate this. So we're going to have root a into root a square equals 2 square. Now from here, this we cancel out this. We have a times root a equals 2 to the power of 2. Now from here, we have to square both sides again to eliminate this. So from here, we have a times root a all in parentheses square equals 2 square, again in parentheses square. Now, when you have x, y in parentheses raised to the power 2, this equals x square times y square. So from here will be a square times root a to the power of 2 equals 2 to the power of 2 in parentheses to the power of 2. This we cancel out this. We have a square times a equals this will be 2 to the power of 2 is 4 square. Now a square times a to the power of 3 equals 4 to the power of 2. So from here we can, to eliminate this cube root, we can take 1/3, that's this a to the power of 3. Cube root of a to the power of 3 equals cube root of 4 to the power of 2. This and this cancel out. We have a to be equals cube root of 4 to the power of 2. So from here, we have a to be 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 over 3. So a will be 4 to the power of 2 times 1 will be 2 over 3. Using the method 1, let's consider the method 2. So we have root a into root a equals 2. Now, when we have root n equals n to the power of 1 over 2, so definitely from here we can have this as, this has these two roots, we can have it as a to the power of 1 over 2, again to the power of 1 over 2, times this a, 1 over 2 equals 2. A to the power of 1 times 1 will be 1, 2 times 2 is 4, times a to the power of 1 over 2 equals, from here, 2. Adding this together, x to the power of n times x to the power of n equals x to the power of n plus n.